Hi kids, welcome to the Learning is Fun channel. My name is Monalisha Tyagi and I'll be demonstrating some science videos. So today my one important element of life which is air, and I'll be demonstrating the videos of the same. So as you all know that plant and animals, all of us, all living animals, living beings need air to breathe, and plant needs air to make their food. So today I'll be showing some properties of air with my experiments. So let's start and let's do it. So here you need one glass and a bowl filled with water. So hold the glass upside down. Now it is difficult to push, water can't get inside. Now you tilt a glass a bit and this trapped air coming out after tilting. So this is bubbles coming out. This is showing that air is coming out. So this shows that air can be trapped. For this you needed two inflated balloons and a stick. Now tie these two balloons with a thread, and now you'll observe that both the balloons are balanced. Now prick one balloon and you'll observe the side with inflated balloon goes down. So this shows that air has weight. You may be wondering, when someone sprays perfume, how the smell comes to you. So this is because of air, because air particles take it from one place to another. So you smell it. So this shows that air can travel. Now you need two burn candles and two glass. Now you'll put both the glass onto the candle, and after some time you will observe that both the candles are put off because air cannot go inside it and oxygen is finished, so they are put off. So this shows that oxygen is necessary for burning. Fill the glass with water. Take a card, hold the card firmly, turn it upside down, and after some time remove your hand and you'll see card does not fall, it is holding water. Air is pushing the card in place. So this shows that air exerts pressure. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe.